Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're using Jess. She works for Monika Blunder Beauty. She's also my dear friend, and a lot of you always ask me to do a makeup tutorial on someone with red hair and with warm undertones, and I thought that she's the perfect model. So we used like really beautiful coppery brown shades in today's video. So if you want to see how we created this look, keep on watching. Alright, we're here with Jess. Let's get started. I'm prepping her skin using the Biography renewing drops and really taking my time by massaging the oil into her skin. Jess is on the more drier side, so an oil is beautiful on her skin. For a subtle glow under her makeup, I'm using the Verse Glow drops all over to add luminosity. I'm using the IT Cosmetics buffing brush, which is one of my favorites, to apply this product. I love this product under makeup or even alone by itself. It's so beautiful, it gives the most gorgeous glow. Up next is Blunder Cover. Jess is a shade 3 right now, which is crazy because when I started working with her, she was a shade 1. So I'm using that in our hybrid cream brush to apply a sheer layer of Blunder Cover all over. I'll go back in later to spot correct. Moving on to brows now, I'm using the Kosas Air Pop in soft brown to define and fill in Jess's brows. For brows on redheads, I really like to keep it to a neutral soft brown or barely auburn shade. I find that too much red in the brows can be off-putting. If you're a very light redhead, even try using a warm blonde shade for your brows. To set everything and add another layer of dimension, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Micro Precision Brow Gel. To create a soft eye look, I'm starting with the ILIA liquid powder in Sheen as a base. Focusing mostly on the lid, I'm applying the product close to the lash line and then using a Katie Jane Hughes brush to blend it all out. I'm working in layers and building it up a few times until I get to the level of coverage I really want. To act as a transition shade, I'm actually using a bronzer from Makeup by Mario, which I love because it's matte and it works so beautiful on the eyes. I'm popping that in her socket using a Tom Ford brush just to smooth out that transition between the shadow and her skin. For liner, I'm starting with the Marc Jacobs Eyeliner in Brownie and working that really well into her lash line. And I'm so sorry guys, but I think this liner is discontinued, but you might still be able to find it on their website. So redheads always tend to have more lighter lashes, so really getting between the lashes with your liner will make such a huge difference. To draw the flick, I want a sharper and more stiff pencil. So I switched to the 1999 eyeliner in shade Barna to create a small wing on both eyes. And by the way, this is the first time me using this liner and it's amazing. I had Jess curl her own lashes. For mascara, I'm using again the brand 1999, and I really like this one because the applicator is so small and it really makes it so easy to coat every single lash. Back to the base now. To sculpt, I'm going in with the Glossier Solar paint in the shade Flare and popping that right under Jess's cheekbones and using the IT Cosmetics brush to buff it all out. And by the way, this product is brand new by Glossier and I really like it. So up next, I want to give Jess a few more freckles using a product called Freck. And for that, we have a special guest, Valentina. The reason why she's doing this because she has been using this product literally for the last 3 months every single day. She knows exactly how to use it. So basically Valentina is just dotting it on and then she's using her fingers to gently kind of like tap it out. Adding freckles to a look like this makes it look so natural and effortless and youthful. It's a great touch, especially for redheads. Alright, now for a fun pop of color, I'm going in with the Cheek Slime. What a cute name, also from the company Freck in the shade Fever Dream. Just to warn you, a little goes a very, very long way, so start slow. I'm using the Refy Duo Brush to blend this out and up her cheekbones. Redheads can really have so much fun playing with bright corals and orange shades. Since they complement red hair so nicely, I like to lean into the warm oranges when I have a redhead in my chair. And I think just in general, warm colors are beautiful on redheads. For lips, we're keeping it neutral with the liner from About Face Beauty, and I'm just barely overlining her top lip, not too much, but enough to give her a little more of a pout. To top everything off, I'm using this gloss from Rowan in shade Remy. To finish everything off, I use a little bit of pressed powder just in her T-zone to complete the look, and I think this is a super easy, flattering, everyday makeup look for redheads. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave me some comments below and let me know what you would like to see in the near future. And I see you in the next video. Bye!